Hey there, real estate enthusiasts. Are you ready to level up your rental property game, reduce your taxes, and protect your assets? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the amazing world of LLCs and how they can be your secret weapon for managing rental properties and slashing those pesky taxes. If you've ever thought about starting your own LLC but didn't know where to begin, you're in the right place. Whether you're a real estate newbie or you've got a few properties under your belt, today's video is packed with actionable tips and insights. But before we jump in, do me a quick favor. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's been thinking about starting their own rental property business. Trust me, this info will save them time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. Now, let's get started. So you might be asking, why should I bother with an LLC in the first place? Great question. Let's break it down. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a type of business structure that's perfect for rental property owners. It's like putting your rental properties inside a nice, cozy little bubble, protecting you from personal liability and potentially reducing your taxes. Sounds like a win-win, right? Here are the main reasons you should consider forming an LLC for your rental properties. First off, your personal assets, like your car, home, and savings, are separated from your rental property business. So if anything goes wrong, say a tenant slips on the sidewalk or there's a dispute over a security deposit, your personal assets are safe. You're not personally liable. Second, LLCs give you more tax flexibility. You can choose to have your LLC taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or even an S-corp. More options mean more opportunities to save on taxes. Let's face it, having an LLC makes your business look a lot more professional. It's easier to get business loans, work with contractors, and even show potential tenants that you're a serious property owner. Now, who wouldn't want all those perks? Sounds like a good deal to me. All right, now that we've covered why an LLC is a good idea, let's break down the steps you need to take to get one started for your rental properties. Don't worry, I've got your back. I'm going to walk you through it like we're getting our hands dirty. No confusing jargon, just simple steps. Here are the 5 steps to set up your LLC for rental properties. Choose your state. No, not your favorite vacation spot, your LLC's home base. Now, most people set up their LLC in the state where they own their properties. So if your rental properties are in Texas, you'll form your LLC there. But hey, if you're dreaming of sunny Florida or tax-friendly Wyoming, you can form your LLC there too. Just remember, you'll still need to file taxes in the state where you own property. No way around that. Pick a name for your LLC. It's got to be unique, so make sure no one else is using it. But don't stress too much. This is the fun part. Name your LLC something creative or just something professional like Your Name Properties LLC. You can even be a little cheeky, like Landlord Extraordinaire LLC. Just don't go too wild with the name. You want people to take you seriously when you're collecting rent, not asking them for a dance-off. File your articles of organization. This is the official document that officially creates your LLC. It's kind of like signing your business's birth certificate. You'll file this with your state's Secretary of State's office, usually online, and it'll cost anywhere from $50 to a couple $100, depending on your state. After you file, you'll get an LLC certificate, kind of like a diploma for your business. You'll want to keep that somewhere safe. Create an operating agreement. This document lays out how your LLC will be managed and how you'll split profits, pay taxes, etc. Even if you're the only person in your LLC, which is common for rental properties, it's still a good idea to have this document. Think of it like a rule book for your LLC. Even though you're the boss, it's a good idea to write down the rules so you don't end up making things up as you go along. You know, like the time I tried to make a sandwich without reading the recipe. Get your EIN or employer identification number. This is basically your LLC's social security number. It's free to get, and you can do it online through the IRS website. You'll need this number for opening a business bank account, paying taxes, and all the official business stuff. Trust me, this number is your best friend. Without it, you won't be able to do a whole lot of business things. It's like trying to drive without a license. Not a good idea. All right, now let's talk about taxes, the part you've all been waiting for. One of the biggest reasons to create an LLC for rental properties is the tax flexibility it provides. So here's the deal. If you're managing rental properties under your personal name, your rental income is taxed as ordinary income. That means you're paying regular tax rates, could be anywhere from 10% to 37% depending on your income. But when you form an LLC, you have the option to be taxed as an S-corp, which can reduce your self-employment tax liability. This is because as an S-Corp, only your salary is subject to employment taxes, not your distributions. That means more of your rental income stays in your pocket. Plus, there are lots of deductions you can take advantage of when you own property through an LLC, like business-related expenses for travel, repairs, and even home office space if you're managing your properties from home. The possibilities are endless. All right, now you've got the tools to start your LLC and save big on taxes, but don't stop here. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips, and share this video with anyone who's looking to jump into real estate or reduce their tax burden. Trust me, they'll thank you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy investing, and here's to tax savings and successful properties.